We're Kiki and Ray, and we bought a 12-meter city bus that we're turning into a tiny home on wheels. Unfortunately for us, we found multiple leaks in the roof while stripping the bus. So before we could continue building the mansion, some trial and error repair work was in order.
It's raining right now. There's actually literal water in this little corner. So I gotta figure out where the water is coming from. Well, the outside, of course. And then seal it somehow.
So here?
Somewhere in the roof or something. We're gonna have to look outside. How do you feel about it?
Not too thrilled. Our first professional diagnosis was the well-known condition of leaky window seals.
We are pretty sure it's coming because all of this seal is gone here. Because this is such an old shape, I 3D printed a couple of smoothers, I suppose. Because they have to fit like in between this little ridge right here. First things first, do you want a walnut?
Yes, thank you.
I love it. We made a plan-ish. We gotta remove the wrap. Then we gotta clean all of this with moss and stuff. And then we're gonna fill in these things. And so this is where it shows that we are not experts. But apparently this bus belonged to a transportation company called Veolia. Here we go.
Smooth a little bit. Oh, not so smooth like a motherfucker. Okay. That's a lot. Look at this.
It looks watertight.
That's what it's supposed to do. So we sealed all the windows and directed our focus to other things. A job well done. Until a couple of months later.
I was restoring these things in the windows, and then I noticed, again in the same corner, always this corner of the bus, new water.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Ah, it's dripping from here. See that droplet?
Yeah.
Ah, it is coming from
The roof.
I guess this is the weather where you discover leaks.
This is the weather where you discover leaks, yes.
Yes.
But I can't remember that we had this leak before, so
No.
it's new. And that's what worries me.
Since it's raining, I think we're just gonna try and find the leak now. We couldn't find it on the roof, so my best attempt is just drilling a couple holes and then seeing whether the insulation behind the hole is wet, and that way we can kind of pinpoint where the water is coming from. One hole.
Yes.
What I'll do then is make like a little flimpeltje of paper, put it in the hole.
And see if it's wet.
Looks dry. Is it though? I just wanna build stuff.
Second hole?
Dry. But I don't get it. I mean, I'm happy it's not there.
Same.
At the same time, I wanna know where it's coming from.
Maybe we should just put a sealant over the whole roof.
So the fix for today, if it stops raining, will be to just put like a trash bag over like the corner,
Yeah,
and we'll tape it stuck.
Yeah.
Just to make sure that not more water creeps in.
With the trash bag in place, we waited for our mail order to arrive.
Next up is fixing another leak in the roof with glass fiber. And we don't know how this works. Glass fiber sheets, roller without the roly thing, combination of resin, I think. You put it on there, put it on the roof is fixed. That's the plan. But before we can start, we need to remove our temporary fix.
I'm gonna cut 2 squares 60 by 70 centimeters for the roof to fix the leak, hopefully, because this is the 3rd time we're fixing this leak. Chernobyl solvent.
It does smell bad. Do I stir this with this? I'm just gonna put it all in.
As it turned out, the glass fiber we bought was way too thick, and we also got far too little resin.
It's been 4 days since I attempted to fix the roof, slightly panicking. Ah, dude, that's sharp. This isn't terrible. How confident am I that this is watertight? I would say 20%. Inside.
Of course, 20% turned out to be optimistic. And a couple of days later, our saga continued. This time with the renewed confidence.
Fixing the roof, episode 12 or something. Thankfully, it will be like 30-31 degrees today, so this should dry out pretty quickly. Apply a new layer of thinner glass fiber, new resin, more resin, because last time we severely lacked resin. And then hopefully this will be fixed for good, because I'm kind of done fixing this corner of the roof. Okay, I've got some big sheets and some longer strips. It's so hot. The packaging of the resin actually says that it can lower your fertility or even damage your pregnancy.
With the temperature creeping towards 37 degrees, our camera overheated. And so did our resin. It hardened within 5 minutes and almost caught fire.
The stuff is actually smoking a little bit, and this jar is actually super hot.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put it in the shadow.
And with that, we added another failed attempt to our list.
Last time I screwed up the roof because it was way too hot. We're still in a heat wave. It'll be 37 degrees today, but we are here quite early. It's 7:05 a.m. So I'm gonna try and fix the roof now before it's too hot. Two things I'm gonna do different now. I'm gonna use a kitchen scale to actually weigh it, and then I'm gonna use less at a time. Yes, and then I'm gonna do the hardener. Let's hope this will do. This is the last time I go up here. Bye.
As the heat wave ended in severe thunderstorms, it was time for the roof's ultimate test.
Our build station didn't survive. Moment of truth. It's dry.
Is it dry?
We fixed the leak. Oh my god.
Let me feel.
Yes.
It's actually dry.
After months and months of trying. Amazing. I'm so happy.
And that's how you fix a roof. In 5 phases and 38 steps. In the next video we'll make sure bugs won't come in or stay in forever.
What are they?
Can you give me a second to figure it out? Okay, this fits over here.
More 12-meter bus over here, mostly us being confused in a very large vehicle. Like and subscribe if you want and stick around for the whole build. And a special thanks to our YouTube members, Waarom ik niet, Bradley Live 422, the entire membership program, both of them.